What's up, beauties? So welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 2, and I had work this morning, and now me and my boyfriend are going to eat some pho. So I'm starting the day off a little later because I didn't want to make another intro of me going to work. But let's go eat some soup and then enjoy the rest of our day.
I'm in a coma right now.
It's so bright outside. I am in such a food coma. It's insane. We just had the best pho. My nose
I got boogies coming out.
It was so spicy. That's TMI. Anyways, now we're gonna just chill. I'm so excited that I got off early today. It's like really bright. I'm so excited I got off early so I can just hang out and relax.
Bye.
Hey, I'm back. You're so strange. We definitely had a lazy day today. It's nighttime now. We watched Netflix and
Blockbuster was way better than Netflix. I'm trying to tell her it's more about the experience and what it is about the, I guess, easy access.
If anyone remembers Blockbuster, definitely leave me a comment down below because Blockbuster
I'd rather go to Blockbuster and walk, like literally walk around and look for something good.
Yes.
Get some popcorn and some candy.
I agree. Anyways,
it's way better than Netflix.
I agree. We're going into church now and the decorations are so cute. Definitely is Christmas everywhere now. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm officially home and we're gonna watch a movie and get all warmed and snuggled with the blankets and the recliners, and I have to show you this cute decoration. The fireplace with the mantle and the stockings. So cute. This is like definitely what you think of when you think of Christmas. Definitely the only thing that I'm missing is a cup of hot chocolate, which I will get in a little bit, but I'm gonna eat my dinner and drink my Sprite first. So I finished with my dinner. I wanted to come on here and show you how cute my mug is with my hot chocolate. It says Dog Mom. So cute. And Christmas cookies. These cookies are amazing. They're like my favorite. Yep, this is like the best. Hey beauties, I'm back. It is like midnight now and I'm gonna get up for work in the morning. I just wanted to get back on here and say good night and happy end of Vlogmas Day 2. I hope y'all enjoyed my short little day and my favorite cookies. Those are definitely my favorite cookies. Got them at H-E-B. If you watch Vlogmas Day 1, you would see that I bought them that day. And I made that with hot chocolate. It was perfect by the fire with the with the garland over the mantle and the lights and the stockings and the fireplace. It just all looks so perfect, and it's definitely starting to feel like Christmas time in December. It was even a little chilly today, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press that cute pink subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.